Are you bored of seeing your ugly desktop every day? No problem. In today's video, we are going to convert this ugly-looking desktop into something beautiful like this. So let's start. First, open your Start menu and search Microsoft Store in it. Click on Open. Search Translucent TB in the search box and open the first program that shows up. There should be a Get or Install button. Click on it to download the app. Wait for it to download. After it gets downloaded, click on Open to open the app. Notice how at the bottom it changed the taskbar and made it transparent. Click on Continue to minimize the app to allow it to run in the background. Now for the next app, search Lively Wallpaper in the search menu and open the first app that shows up. Click on Get to start installing the app on your PC. This app is a bit large in size, so it will take some time to download and install. After it's finished installing, click on Open to open the app. Select your favorite wallpaper and click on it to apply. Now, you can close the app and enjoy your wallpaper. The last step which is left is to disable desktop icons to make your desktop minimal. I have a video on how to do that. Go watch that after this. Thanks for watching.